Hey guys, I'm trying to do my lashes today.
Let's get into the hair tutorial.
There's this new trend now of human hair twist, and today I want to show you how to get your regular kinky twist the way it looks on the right to look very close to the human hair twist without having to spend all that money. So this is what your regular kinky twist looks like. It looks very bouncy, juicy, but I really don't like this look. I wanted to go for the more flat, almost looking like passion twist, and it kind of looks like it is growing right out of your scalp and just an extension of your regular kinky twist without being all up in your face. So the key to making it look very natural is blending it to the color of your hair, getting it as close as possible. So if your hair is jet black or natural black, I would say you should use color 1B or color 1. So my hair is dark brown, is more dark brown than actually black, and I dye the tips of my hair to like color 33 dark chocolate. So for this video I used color 2 and color 4. I was getting towards the end and I was running out of hair. I just used some leftover color 33 that I had, so I just played around with it around the tips to kind of like give it a bit of like dimension and to also make it look more natural. So when starting out the hair, you start it like a regular knotless braid. I started with my natural hair, then after braiding it about 3 times, I add the first kinky extension into it and I twist. So when we're doing kinky twist, people overthink, oh, do I twist right over left? Do I twist left over right? So I don't think the direction you twist makes a difference. It is more so how you twist it. But if you look at it now, I am just rolling it over each other. I am not twisting before wrapping it over each other. That sounded very complicated. But if you're watching this video, you probably know how to twist, so you probably understand what I'm trying to say. Like when you're doing a Senegalese twist now, you roll it on its own before wrapping it around each other. When you're doing a kinky twist, you don't have to do that, you just have to wrap it around each other. That's what I mean. So when you do that, when you get towards the end, you extend it. So for this extension, I'm using I think it is about 16 or 22 inches. I'll check it and put the correct one on the screen. So if they're probably longer length, but I wanted to combine two colors to add into the ombre effect. So when extending kinky twist, don't wait till the very end of the first one is almost exhausted. Towards the end, you bring out the second extension, you wrap it on the left and on the right when you roll it with each other before you keep turning it. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to show you how I did it. So if I'm not explaining it properly verbally, I would say just watch. I didn't increase the speed of this video, so it is at real time. I don't know, for some reason my hands are moving really fast, so it seems like it is sped up, but it is not sped up. So you will be able to see what exactly I am talking about. So if you want to know exactly how I was able to make the twist look so fast, I will just say you can speed the video and watch it towards the end to see how I was able to get the flat, natural looking look. But yes, that's essentially everything about this video. If you have more questions, please ask me in the comment section. But for now, enjoy the rest of the music, the video, the vibes. Bye guys.
yellow red. Sun is slowly sinking down, pulling up the moon, smiling just for you.